So in the previous video, we looked at composition mode of our visual editor. And in composition mode, this is where you define the skeleton of the template. This is where you define the position, the size of every element of the layout. Now, when we move on to content mode, think of it as dressing up that skeleton. This is where we add effects to images, where we can change text styles and effects. Now, let's look at what we need to do. The square proportion looks good to me. The only thing we need to do is change this sub-headline to be a lighter font. I'm going to come up here and change it to subhead. Okay. Now let's go to this horizontal proportion, and here we need to do some work. We're going to increase the size. Well, first we're going to do the same thing here and apply a lighter font. And now we're going to increase the size of the text. I'm going to adjust this one canvas at a time because each canvas will require a different text size. So here, I'll come up here and change the text size to be... Okay, now that we've set the text styling, let's add some effects to the product image. For instance, I would like to add a reflection to all of the product images. I'm going to go up here to add reflection and increase opacity, depth, and adjust it so it's right under the product. Okay, perfect. So, and also I will make sure that it will always be set to fit instead of fill, otherwise products will get cut off. Great. Now let's go over to the products tab and add some products and see how it actually looks with other products in this template. Some bundles. Great. This looks good. I can select all to see them all at the same time. This is wonderful. So from here I can review and download and be done with my campaign. I can also hit update to save this template for future use. And if I exit, I'll be taken back to our brand layouts where I can see this newly created layout that we just made. Hope this was helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out with any comments or questions.